Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with Sheila Stamp Satinette, and today we are going to be using Party Hat Birthday, and we are going to be making this sweet little card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Party Hat Birthday, and we're going to use the banner and Yay It's Your Day along with the 3 party hat builders. So I'm going to bring in my Pearson mat, and I have a piece of lemon lime twist, and I'm going to be using the Bermuda Bay, and I have the banner, and that's on block H, and I'm just going to set that down. And the reason I have the piercing mat under is because it's photopolymer, so it needs a little bit extra cushion. And then I have Yay It's Your Day on block G, and this is also with the Bermuda Bay. Alright. And we'll put that aside. Now I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have my magnetic cutting plate down. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece off. So that it's smaller, and I can put that down along with all the other pieces that I am cutting. And then I have a piece of the Glimmer paper. I forget what it's called, but I'll put it on the screen. And I'm just going to be using the ruffle and then the little tassel. And I don't think we have room for that right now, so you run that through. And that's super cute. Okay, so I have a piece of Whisper White and then the Party Hat framelit. And I'm just going to put that down. And then that. Alright, and while we have the Big Shot out, I'm going to switch out my plates, and I'm going to emboss, and we're using Oh My Stars, and I have a piece of Bermuda Bay, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Alright. Alright, and we will run that through. And then we end up with this. Isn't it so cute? Alright, so we are going to bring back in the Pearson mat. And then I have my little party hat. And then so I started with the bigger images, and that's on block E. And we're going to stamp that up in Flirty Flamingo. Make sure it's good and covered. Alright, just like that. And then I'm going to come in with the bigger images, but not so many, and I'm using the lemon lime twist for that. And I hope I don't get my head in the camera. So I'll put that down, just like that. And then I have the smaller images, and I'm going to be stamping that in the Bermuda Bay. And it leaves you the ability to be able to see where these little sprinkles actually go. So there you go. Now we will put this card together. So my card base is a Flirty Flamingo, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And I'm going to bring in the piece that we embossed, and I have my fast views. I'm having some technical gluing problems. Let's go with the snail. Alright, and then we will center that, just like that. And now we're going to bring in our glimmer pieces. Also our party hat. So first I'm going to just put a glue dot right here on the top, and then I'm going to put 3 glue dots down here at the bottom. With this glimmer paper, glue dots work the best for me. So then I'll bring this in, and then I'll decide exactly where I want it, and then I will press that down. I'm going to flip it over now, and I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to put 2 at the top here and 3 at the bottom, just like that. Alright, put it right here in the middle, and then we're going to come in with the piece that we, the banner, and I'm going to put 2 more dimensionals right on top of the party hat, and get the little banner piece. Just like that. Well, there you have it. A simple, quick, fun, and easy birthday card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.